Alright, so here's my review of the TELESIN battery cover door for GoPro. This one's compatible with the most recent GoPros, including the 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. It's not waterproof, but it's a water-resistant cover. It helps protect from any kind of water, including rain, snow, and any kind of debris that may get into the battery compartment. It's very easy to apply. Basically, these hooks over here, you want to connect to this rail up top here, like this, until you hear that click, and give it a wiggle to make sure it's secure. And then when you close it, you could see it has to like overlap, so just make sure you press it securely, and you'll hear that click. So if you want to make sure it's secure, just try to loosen it, and it should not come off easily. If you want to remove it, you got to push it down and then kind of like remove it that way. So it's important to note that you have a cable that fits inside here. Me personally, I use the anchor cable. This one here, it fits very snug inside. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this. I would definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.